Hello everyone, in today's class we'll do some formulas of national income. There are two important things in national income. Those are GDP, gross domestic product, and one is GNP, gross national product. There is one more thing, NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad. So gross national product is when we add NFIA to GDP. Formula is GNP is equal to GDP plus NFIA. And gross domestic product GDP is equal to GNP minus NFIA. Then comes our factor price, or you can call it factor cost, that is equal to market price minus net indirect taxes. The formula is FP is equal to MP minus NIT. And NIT, that is national indirect taxes, that is equal to IT minus subsidies, indirect taxes minus subsidies. And market price is equal to factor price plus NIT, net indirect taxes. Formula is MP is equal to FP plus NIT. So national income is based on these three formulas. Take a note of them. First one, GDP is equal to GNP minus NFIA. Second, factor cost FC is equal to MP minus NIT. Third one, net is equal to gross minus depreciation. Now try to solve this question. GNP is equal to rupees 600 crore. NNP is equal to rupees 475 crore. You have to find depreciation. As we just read, net is equal to gross minus depreciation. So depreciation would be gross minus net. So it would be GNP minus NNP, that is 600 minus 475, depreciation equal to 125. Next question. You are given GNP at market price 200, net property income from abroad rupees 10. Indirect taxes 20 rupees, subsidies 10 rupees. You have to find GDP at factor cost. So the first thing, we read the formula of GDP, that was GNP minus NFIA. And since we are given factor cost, the formula for factor cost is MP minus NIT. So MP is already mentioned, we will minus NIT from that. So the formula would be GDP at factor cost is equal to GNP at market price minus NIFA minus NIT. And since NIT is not given, we will find NIT. NIT is indirect taxes minus subsidies. So it would be 20 minus 10. So now putting the values, 200 minus 10, NIT we just found, so it would be 10. 200 minus 10 equal to 180. GNP at factor cost is 180. Next question. We are given NP at factor cost rupees 600 crore, indirect taxes rupees 200 crore, subsidies rupees 75 crore, and we have to find national product at market price. We know the formula for market price, that is equal to FC plus NIT, and NIT is IT minus subsidies. So that would be 200 minus 75 equal to 125. So now national product at market price would be, inserting the value 600 plus 125, that is equal to 725. So the national product at market price would be 725. Next question, which of the following formulas are not true? First one is true. Why? As we read, net is equal to gross minus depreciation. So formula is as it is given, so it's correct. Second one is also correct. Why? Because we read the formula GDP is equal to GNP minus NFIA. So GNP would be GDP plus NIFA. Third is also correct. Why? We read FC is equal to MP minus NIT, and since we know NIT is equal to IT minus subsidies, so the formula would become net national product at factor cost is equal to net national product at market cost plus subsidies minus IT. The fourth one is not correct. Why? Because we read the formula net is equal to gross minus depreciation. So gross would be net plus depreciation, whereas here it is given as NNP minus depreciation, which is not correct. Thank you so much. In the next video, we'll do the methods of national income, that is value added method, income method, and expenditure method.